Why is snow white? Wow, snow is falling. But why is snow white? Looking at a snowflake. Snow is made of millions of tiny ice crystals, often shaped like little hexagons. Light hits snow. Sunlight hits snow crystals and then scatters in many directions. When light shines on snow, the ice crystals reflect and scatter the light in many directions. What is white light? White light is actually a mix of many different colors. Equal scattering equals white. The colors red, blue, yellow are scattered equally from the snowflakes, mixing together to form white. When all the colors scatter equally, our icy snow is white. Summary: Snow white because snow is ice crystals. Reflection and scattering of light. White light equals many colors. Equals scattering white snow. Snow looks white because it reflects all the colors of sunlight equally. Interactive question. Can you think of something else that's white because it reflects light? Can you think of anything else that's white because of light reflection? Fun ending. Now you know why snow is white. See you next time for more amazing science.